On the morning of Lugnasa, 1st of August, we startled some deer on our morning walk. The dog chased them. They don't catch them, they never do. But it was like, season change. And then when we came back and looked up, the storks were circling over our house. They circle high when they're getting ready to leave, when they're getting ready for their migration. The storks actually mark the seasons for us. So I bake bread. It's the harvest season. Actually, it's been the harvest season for us for quite a few weeks. The gardens got ready very early this year. I don't know whether it's because of the extreme heat and the drought, water problems. Actually, we were without water for a few weeks. Well, it was about a week, and we had to haul water from the spring in the village, which was quite a challenge in the heat. But the garden's been doing really well, and we've been eating from it for weeks now. You can see how dry things are. Some basil. Had a lot of squash this year. About 6 squash plants, and that will give us about 20 or more squash. And so one squash is 4 meals for us. So the harvest season, even though it's so hot and sunny, this is when we start getting ready for winter. And we all reap what we've sown at this time of year in so many ways, not just in the garden, but everything we've done in the first half of the year. We're just going to get the results of it now, for better or for worse. You can see how dry it is. But the tomatoes have been doing great. Lots of salad, courgettes, cucumbers. Every other day we have strawberries for breakfast. And this is the storks when they first arrive, and they have their courtship ritual, the clacking. They don't make any other sound apart from the clacking. That's how they communicate. They nest in the big cedar tree in the village. We can see it from our terrace. And the young have to learn to fly, just like us. So when the grass is cut and the hay is rolled, we know they're going to be leaving soon. They come down to feed all the little voles and mice and things that get churned up. And then they start to organise themselves for their long journey. They are just the most majestic birds. They fly right over our house very often. I just love to watch them. So they head south. Some of them will go to Africa. I always feel a bit sad when they leave. Harvest season is such a time for letting go.